Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about skincare ingredients, hyaluronic acid. You've probably heard it's a miracle for hydration, but did you know that using it incorrectly can actually make your skin drier? In this video, I'll break down what hyaluronic acid really is, the right way to use it, what mistakes to avoid, and how to maximize its incredible benefits for your skin. Whether you're new to hyaluronic acid or want to fine-tune your skincare game, you're in the right place. Make sure you watch till the end. I'll also share some pro tips. Let's get started. What is hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring molecule in the skin that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. It's a humectant, meaning it attracts and binds moisture to the skin, making it a hydration superstar. Benefits of hyaluronic acid serums. Deep hydration. Instantly boosts moisture levels. Helps skin feel plump, dewy, and soft. Reduces appearance of fine lines. Hydrated skin looks smoother, so fine lines appear less noticeable. Strengthens skin barrier. Prevents moisture loss and protects against environmental aggressors. Enhances skin elasticity. Regular use can make the skin feel firmer and bouncier. Improves skin texture. Dry, flaky skin becomes softer and more supple over time. Safe for all skin types. Especially good for sensitive, dry, or oily-prone skin. Non-comedogenic. Dose of using hyaluronic acid serums. Apply on damp skin. Hyaluronic acid works by pulling water into the skin. Damp skin provides the moisture it needs to bind. Layer with other hydrating products. Combine with glycerin, ceramides, or niacinamide for a stronger hydration effect. Seal it in. Always follow with a moisturizer to lock in the hydration. Use twice daily. Morning and night for optimal hydration. Patch test new products, especially if the serum contains additional actives like vitamin C. Don'ts of using hyaluronic acid serums. Don't apply it on dry skin without moisture. If there's no water to pull, HA might draw moisture out of your deeper skin layers, worsening dryness. Don't skip moisturizer afterward. HA needs to be sealed with a heavier cream to prevent moisture loss. Don't rely on it alone for anti-aging. HA hydrates but doesn't replace actives like retinoids, peptides, or antioxidants. Don't overuse highly concentrated HA, 2% and up, without caution. Ultra-high concentrations can sometimes irritate sensitive skin. How to use hyaluronic acid serum, step by step. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser. Pat dry lightly, leaving skin slightly damp. Apply a few drops of the hyaluronic acid serum to your fingertips. Gently pat the serum into your skin. Avoid rubbing harshly. Follow with a moisturizer while your skin is still moist. Finish with sunscreen if using in the morning. Pro tip: you can sandwich hyaluronic acid between 2 layers of moisture, mist, then hyaluronic acid serum, then moisturizer, for extra hydration. When to use hyaluronic acid? Morning. Helps keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Works well under sunscreen and makeup. Night. Repairs and hydrates your skin while you sleep. Seasonal tip: if you live in a very dry climate, use it with a humidifier or layer with a heavier occlusive cream to prevent it from pulling moisture from your own skin. Bonus tips for best results. Look for multimolecular weight hyaluronic acid serums. They penetrate different skin layers for more complete hydration. If you're layering actives, like vitamin C or retinol, apply hyaluronic acid after the actives and before your moisturizer. And that wraps up everything you need to know about hyaluronic acid serums, from science to skincare secrets. Remember, it's not just about adding products, it's about using them smartly for real, lasting results. If you found this deep dive helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more expert skincare guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want me to review your favorite hyaluronic acid serum next. Thanks for watching, take care of your skin, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.